Selamat sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Hazwan bin Johari. My metric number is 07 DKM19F1079. So today we want to present about how to make an oven project using Autodesk Inventor. So move to introduction. Oven is a tool which is used to expose material to a hot environment and become baked and transform into bread, cookies or other products. Okay, first, in order to bake the product, oven use energy generation source like the combustion of fuels such as gas or oil or electricity. Second, the released available energy from this source is transferred to the product by means of radiation, conduction and convection. Third, the oven sets and maintains the proper condition of heat flux, humidity and temperature to carry out the cooking process and the removal of moisture from the product. In this assignment, we are creating a design of an oven by using this software. In this assignment, we will learn the key skills and knowledge required to design model using Autodesk Inventor. Some of the skills that we will learn is creating, constraining and dimensioning to the sketch, creating and editing the solid-based 3D feature from a sketch, placing and constraining connection path in assemblies, obtaining model measurement and property information, creating presentation files, exploded views, simulating motion in an assembly, creating, editing and assembly bill of material, and creating and annotating drawings and views. So we move to part drawing. First of all, we will make a switch button. The width dimension for the switch button is 1.97 diameter, while the length of the dimension is 0.98. After that, we make the control button and timer button using the same dimension. That's all for the manufacture of three types of button.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Hanifah Fizi bin Mahmud. My matrix number is 07 DKM19F1088 and I will present about 4 things. And first is up. The upper is made of steel. The overall length is 19.69 and 13.03 wide. There are 7 rectangular holes with height of 1.57 and a width of 11.02. And the distance between one hole and another is 80. Okay, secondly, back. For the back, it is 19.69 inch long and 11.91 high. There are 3 parallel holes on the right and left. The length of each hole is 7.87 inch and in the width is 1.18. The gap of each hole is 0.39. Then there are 2 more holes at the bottom of the 3 holes with a smaller size of 7.87 inches long and 0.39 wide. The function of all these holes is to release hot heat from inside the oven. Okay, thirdly is inside. For the inside, there are 2 identical steel frames mounted on the right and left of the oven wall. Then there are 4 point strips measuring 9.85 long and 0.12 wide. From the top, the gap for each strip is 1.65 inch. The function of this strip is to place the tray in the oven. With these strips, the level for placing the tray can be adjusted whether you want to place the tray on the top or bottom level. Okay, lastly, I will talk about front. For the oven cover, On the front, the length of the cover frame is 19.69 and the width is 11.81. On each side there is a part of temperature and time adjuster with a length of 8.66 and a width of 2.36. Thank you.
Next is glass, which is oven door. The glass is used to cover the oven and to be seen from the outside. The glass has 370 mm length, 10 mm width, and 250 mm high. The side handle is used to carry the oven. The side handle has 100 mm long, 30 mm width, and 50 mm. Next is the plug. It is used to connect the power supply so the oven can work. The plug has 41 mm long, 20 mm width, and 37 mm. Next is the leg of our oven. It will maintain stability to our oven. So the leg has 4 pieces in this oven. It is 36 mm high, 18 mm width, and 36 mm long.
The temperature, it has 3.15 width and 1.57 in height, and it also has 0.59 thickness with 20 radius fillet. So for the wire, it has a total of 28 length, which is divided by 5. The first one is 1.74, and the second one is 7.24, the third one is 8.13, the fourth one is 8.81, and the last one is 2.17. And this wire will go to the wire holder, which has 0.79 diameter as the small one, the middle one, and the front one, and 1.38 in diameter in the middle one, and the biggest one is 1.97, and the hole inside of this wire holder is 0.39. So the handle, it has 330 width with 20 in height, and also has a hollow inside which has 11 radius on each side, and it has 270 width.
Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. My name is Hamizan Anas and I'm from DKM4C. My registration number is 07DKM19F1085. So today I would like to present my part, which is assembly drawing. As we can see here, this is the oven that we made. This is the old part that we already assembled it, and we can see this is the perfect oven that we made. So we move on to the next part, which is exploded view and part list. We start with the item number 1, quantity 1, description, up part number 16. Item number 2, quantity 2, side part number 13. Item number 3, quantity 1, bottom part number 5. Item number 4, inside part, quantity 1, part number 14. Item number 5, inside part, quantity 1, part number 5, number 4, sorry, part number 4. Item number 6, front part, quantity 1, part number 15. Item number 7, glass part, quantity 1, part number 6. Item number 8, handle part, quantity 1, item part number 10. And the next one is item number 9, quantity 2, side handle, part number 9. Item number 10, quantity 1, plug part, which is part number 12. Item number 11, quantity 1, wire place, part number 11. Item number 12, one quantity wire part, which is part number 17. And then item number 13, quantity 4, leg, which is part number 7. Item 14, quantity 1, temperature, part number 8. Item number 15, quantity 1, switch button, part number 1. Item number 16, quantity 1, control button, part number 3. And the last one is item number 17, quantity 1, which is timer button, and which is part number 2. Thank you.